Obviously front door. And then look. Oh, it's crazy. In here, this is the entryway. Got full washer, dryer, laundry, ironing stuff, which is pretty handy considering it was raining yesterday when we got in, which we did. And it comes around to the full kitchen, full size fridge. Excuse Davy's in the shower. Microwave. There's Dave's room. I'll show you the view in a second. Lovely bench island here. 2 dishwashers. All the stuff you could want. Nice little seating area for the view, which I'll show you in a minute. Dining. Lounge. Balcony. With more view. And it's quite early, so the sun's just coming up. And this is my room. Beautiful, huge bed. Bedside tables. Not many sockets or anything, but that's okay. A bit of artwork. Cable TV. Excuse the mess. And closet. Safe. Hangers. Extra pillows. Blankets. And then bathroom, the toilet, beautiful big shower, plenty of space on the counter, some free toiletries. Oh, yeah. And then the piece de resistance. Spa bath. Okay, and that, for some weird reason, it opens up into the bedroom if you want to watch your partner have a bath. So, let's go take a look at the view. Got Main Beach, Surfers Paradise down there. The surfers working out, going into the water. Someone on their balcony probably doing the same thing as me. Get vertigo here. Very high up, we're in the Q1 as if I haven't seen before or written in the description or whatever. Yes, get a little bit wobbly on my feet here. So there's a enclosed balcony. I'm going to let the camera do this bit because I'm not going to get too close. So we're in the tallest building on the Goldie. I'll go around and I'll show you the kind of city side, which is quite cute. This is just like, that's how good the view is. They just have a seating area. So, isn't that beautiful? It was pouring down rain yesterday when we got here. This is a couple of weeks after the big floods in southeast Queensland and Lismore, so they've done quite well, but apparently it's coming back in today. You can see the clouds kind of rolling over the hills. But gorgeous as ever. It's kind of like Miami. But there we go. So I think today we were supposed to go do the beach pride, and fair day, but they've cancelled it because apparently there's going to be electrical storms and flash flooding again. So we're going to go down to Broad Beach and catch up with some of the guys from Gold Coast Rainbow Communities, check out the shops and have a bit of fun.